Everyone, hope everything is going well. All of you know that I really like following these guys, All-Star Charts, JC Peretz. I met their team, I think about a month ago. And they are, in my opinion, top technicians out there. I'm not saying this out of hyperbole just because I met them. No, like these guys, have a newsletter. They know what they're doing. I think they got bought out and their charts are fantastic. I've seen this guy speak before as well at a Chicago CMT event. And he's saying that MicroStrategy is set to it's basing. So when it bases, bigger the base, the higher in space, right? And I believe that we're headed for the blow off top in crypto, blow off top in stocks. And what prevented me from going all short or going all cash is the sentiment wasn't there. All right. People may mock me on my sports card channel on here, that's fine. It's cool. I trade around, I go long, I go short, many stocks. I look at particularly stocks above the Bollinger Bands, and usually 70% of those trades tend to work out. Not all the time. And it's always important about position size in terms of trading, but long term, I still have a bearish thesis. Post election, things are going to get wild. And I've made some preparations, obviously a little too early, which is fine. But we're starting to see sentiment. I'm going to go back to crypto, but take a look at this. I found this on the Twitters, the X. Follow me there, AIH Finance. If you haven't, I sometimes post, hey, this is what I'm looking at for trades. I did do some Chinese trades the other day and did some shorts. Some of them didn't work out, but then eventually this week, Hong Kong Chinese stocks started to roll over. So that went a lot better this week. But Bank of America Bull Bear 7.0. When it's above 8, that is a sell signal. We're getting close to a sell signal here. Sentiment, all these traders are getting a little cocky. And, when I start to see that, red flag, right? I ask people in my family, friend circle, do you think a recession's coming? A lot of them are saying no, okay? A lot. I'm getting laughed at, I'm starting to see, okay, you weren't laughing at me maybe 6 months ago, but now it's coming in. I'm like, okay, all right. Just making observations. And fear and greed index 74. So we're starting to get a little more frothy. We're not there yet. Okay. And ultimately, I'm looking at, MicroStrategy. I think the biggest mistake I did, this split, by the way. So I think it's like 1 for 7 or whatever it is. Oh my God. Or was it 10? I forget how much it split, but I could have made over 100 G's in MicroStrategy with one call option, but I sold too early. Went to Coinbase. Yeah, I made money in Coinbase, but oh God, man, that 100 G's would be a lot. That would be helping out a lot right now. But there are opportunities, right? After a pullback, I want to see for me to get into MicroStrategy, I want to see a pullback first, even though it's probably set to roll. Coinbase, I think, is going to play catch up. You could take a look at MicroStrategy versus Coinbase. You can see on the RSI, it's 84. There's high momentum, so you may see aggressive moves before a pullback that you need. You can look at what Bollinger Band. I paid for stock charts, the Bollinger Band thing, because it's even the cheap version of this. I could get like stocks way above the Bollinger Band and all that stuff. So it's going to be very helpful in this very volatile trading environment that we're going to have. And, you know, I'm not only just going to be buying put options, I'm still going to be active in this market trading, and volatility is kind of up. So, that's kind of what you need for trading. Anyways, I'm looking at this over here, and I'm seeing that number one, hi, how are you doing? Not much. I was just doing a video. Yeah, that's fine. What? Yeah, I just paused it. That's fine. No, it's fine. I could do it. I could do it like later.
Huh?
I paused it. Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna take showers soon.
Huh? No, you didn't take shower yet?
No,
Oh.
you're gonna do what?
Yeah, madam.
You're gonna do what?
No, I have to go on remote access from my hospital at 2 o'clock in an appointment with the hospital IT guy. Did you
Oh,
eat anything?
I'm going to. Well, I'm gonna record it and finish up. So, yeah, in terms of all of this, I'm looking at a few other things right now. Looking at MicroStrategy, looking at Coinbase, but also looking at the euro. Sam Gatlin from that same team, All Star Charts, it's basing the euro, right? So, euro is like 60% of the dollar. And what happens is dollar sells off, euro goes up. I expect crypto to rip. That's probably going to be the blow off top. And then that will help equities. But like I said, this is at 7. Goes to 8, 9. Ooh, there's going to be trouble ahead. But one last thing with MicroStrategy, it did go up ridiculous. But look at the beta, 3.12. What happens in a downturn? This thing is going to roll over. But in the meantime, this thing's going to rock and roll. So be ready for some crazy moves ahead. Anyways, let me know your thoughts. Talk to you later. Bye.